What if the next ad you loved wasn't made by a human at all? AI is rapidly changing advertising, from how ads are created to how they are targeted and even how they perform. But that raises some big questions. Can AI actually create convincing ads? Are AI ads entertaining or just weird? Do people even know when an ad is made by AI? And if they do, does it turn them away? Today we're diving into the world of AI advertising to find out what's really working and what might come next. AI isn't just a trend, it's becoming the backbone of modern marketing. According to an article from StackAdapt about AI and advertising, AI is making a big step in the marketing world. The field has started to use AI-powered advertising, which uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to analyze data, create content, and optimize advertising campaigns. With this idea, it has taken the workload off many creatives and marketing teams. With AI, it takes away the repetitive tasks, long hours, and creative blocks that teams face on a day-to-day. There are also many other benefits to AI becoming central to marketing. This is precise targeting for audiences, increased efficiency, quicker content creation, improved measurements of analytics, and more relevant personalization. AI can predict what you want, when you want it, and even generate ads that are tailored just for you. This level of personalization is something traditional advertising simply couldn't do. Effectiveness isn't everything. Are AI ads actually enjoyable? The answer is mixed. AI can create visually stunning, creative, and sometimes even bizarre content. Some AI ads go viral because they're so unique or unexpected. This is achieved by giving the right prompt and good amount of content to the generative AI to be able to have successful ads. It took Coca-Cola, a whole team, and over 70,000 inputs to create their Christmas ad, and there are still some mistakes. Yes, AI is a great way to help put out creative content for companies, but there still needs to be some human revisions. Video is meant to have a meaning, and AI typically it seems cold or monotone. This is why AI can't completely take over the advertising world. A quote from a podcast about AI for creatives from StackAdapt makes a good point about human and AI relationships. AI can't replace human judgment. It needs humans to refine, guide, and ensure. AI can do the heavy lifting, but humans still need to be there to revise so it can be strategic and have a good emotional connection to the audience. Here's where things really get interesting. Do people actually know when an ad is made by AI? Sometimes yes, but not always. Even with regulations making companies identify if the content was made by AI or even the making was assisted with AI, like Meta's new policy requires disclosure for all use of AI, people still don't know if it was made by it. Like this video script. It was created with the help of AI and revisions done by myself. Research shows people can often identify AI-generated ads, but high-quality ads can't be picked apart from human-made ones. Even when people do recognize AI, it still doesn't stop them from engaging. AI can create a lot of hallucinations, as mentioned before, which can be damaging to the people within the AI-generated content, but entertaining for the people consuming the content. For example, an earlier AI situation was the wedding between a famous couple, Zendaya and Tom Holland, who had leaked photos of their wedding which were made by AI. This made me question if some of these photos were actually from the wedding. It can make you question what's real and what's fake. This is one of the biggest challenges in AI advertising. When people know an ad is AI generated, performance can drop significantly. When it is labeled or people can recognize it is made by AI, most click off right away or scroll to the next video. They don't want to see fake news because they already know it is an untrustworthy source based on how we associate AI in the press. But here's the twist. Even with that drop, AI ads can still outperform human ads overall. As explained before, marketing teams are able to use AI to analyze data from consumers at a faster pace, and also use it to adapt their content with the interest of those consumers. Even if we know it's AI and we click off, it still makes a big impact on its success. So, is AI advertising just a phase? Not even close. AI is quickly becoming the new normal in marketing. Generative AI is already here and it's not going away. More and more companies keep adding AI into their day-to-day according to the article from StackAdapt. As AI becomes more integrated into daily life, people may stop questioning whether something is AI generated and start focusing only on whether it's useful or entertaining. We need to focus on using AI as a tool to help us through our day-to-day rather than something we can rely on. If we use it the right way, it can help us move into a new future of how we work with machines and computers to create content in the marketing field. The future of advertising might not be human versus AI, but humans with AI. AI can create ads that are convincing, efficient, and sometimes even more effective than human ones. It can also help take the load off during everyday creative tasks that are a pain to do. But questions around creativity, trust, and transparency are still evolving. So the next time you see an ad you love, ask yourself, was it made by a person or by a machine?